A hard freeze killed all the leaves on my tree. It is leafing back out, but some branches look dead. How can I tell if those branches are still alive? And this is Mike from Mims, Florida. All right, that's a good question. So,
That's a very good
how can
question.
you tell if the branches are still alive?
He needs to go to one of the woody branches, take his fingernail, and just scrape the bark a little bit. If it's green underneath, it's alive.
Okay.
If you keep
Scratch
scraping and it's no green and it's, you know, you might try, then I would probably go to a branch and snip the tip of it. And if it's got some green in it, look for green. If there's no green, and I would just keep cutting it back till you see some green.
So green tissue is going to be
Green
key.
tissue is going to be the key that it's still alive.
Right. I would also do the bend test.
Yeah.
See if it's pliable. Yeah. Give it a little bend there.
Yeah.
It might be alive, but if it pop,
Yeah.
probably
Yeah,
dead.
If it's
probably
dead,
dead.
it'll probably snap.
Yeah,
Yes.
probably snap. And it's something else I would look at as I'm sitting here thinking about it. I would look at the buds. Right?
True.
Yeah. So you can look at the buds, and you know if they look like they're healthy,
Yeah.
then the tree might be okay. But if not, they look mushy, brown or dark.
Yeah. And
Yeah,
you could
probably
rub your
dead.
finger on the bud too.
there you go.
Just touch it, and if it falls off, you know,
Right.
it's,
Yeah. Right. Right.
there's nothing there
There's
alive.
nothing there. There's nothing there alive. All right. So we appreciate that question, Miss.
Good
Right?
question.
Yeah. So again, the old scratch test, the
Scratch.
bend test.
Yeah.
Yeah. Rub those buds.
Yeah.
We'll see. It'll tell you everything you need to know.
It sure will.